One officer of CRPF's Cobra Commando Battalion for Resolute Action Unit was killed. 9 others injured in an IED blast triggered by Naxals in Chhattisgarh's Sukma district late last night, an official said. According to media reports, the improvised explosive device went off in the forest near Tetmetla village when a team of security forces was out on an anti-Naxal operation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today reassured farmers on the recently enacted farm laws as he said that with the latest reforms in the agriculture sector, farmers have got new opportunities. Speaking to the public during Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the recently passed farm reforms have not only broken shackles of farmers but have also given new rights and opportunities to them. Kaching District Task Force in collaboration with District Administration Kaching today organized a mass motorcycle rally on COVID-19 cum drug abuse awareness in Kaching District. Our correspondent reports the rally covered different parts of the district. Members of Lamding Educated Welfare Association Lewa Thawal District today carried out a road cleaning program. A press release from Lewa President S. Ojit informed that the program was held in view of roads in the area being dirtied by scattered muds from the wheels of tractors. A team of commando arrested a man along with a Canada-made bike near Wangjing Bazaar. Maibam Kopimohan Singh, aged 50 years of Wangjing Tekcham, Lekai, was handed over to Thoubal Police Station for further necessary legal action, a police report said. Manipur People's Party MPP today urged all concerned to refrain from interfering in the party matter. MPP General Secretary Administration Haubijam Geeta Jain Maitai made the appeal at a press meet at his residence at Ghari Awang Lekai. Geeta Jain Maitai warned that those who try to disintegrate MPP could be punished under the law. BJP Manipur Pradesh Medical Cell and Kishan Morcha Vice President Khetrimayung Kala organized a free medical camp at Yaibilen Children Home Kaibi Senapad today. The inmates and the staffs of the home were provided medical checkup and medicines. Joint Coordination Committee on Wildlife and Biodiversity Manipur, an umbrella body of wildlife organizations along with People for Nature, Thoubal District has been planting saplings with an objective to increase greenery in Manipur.